Just take everything out from here, and there's a lot of sponges for protect them, but it'll help you to pack until this layer. Once you get this layer, and then this the area for the seat space. So this is the big box, this is a small box. This is smoke effect, and this another one here, and another one here. One, two, three. This piece just sits on there. This one you can unplug it. The car is just sitting there. And just sitting there. And this one, just careful, take it off. This one also just sitting here. This one is just sitting here. And a little figure. Just take it down. This part also can take it off. And then remove from here. The head, can take it off, is a magnet in there. This whole thing is plugging. I can just slowly take it off. Take out these arms. There's a piece. Take out the heads. Take out the arms. The other one. Take off the body. Slowly shaking it. Pull it out from here. This one connect to this one here. This one, take it out. Have a look at back. It's connected. This one out. This is a piece. And that's everything.